Snowstorm. This is genuinely a terrible idea, but it's fun. Until you get stuck. Best times to drive a front-wheel drive car that is normally not fun because you can slide around anywhere. Really stupid idea, but it's fun. However, being this low to the ground and not being able to see the road is not ideal. Basically turns into a game of Russian roulette with potholes. Giant clump of ice that can ruin your day as well. There's nothing coming. I'm not stopping right here because I will get stuck. Exactly. Oh Jesus, forgot about that pothole. almost guarantee I'm the only idiot doing this right now in a vehicle that is this close to the ground and normally gets stuck in good conditions. Again, it is not a good idea, but it is fun. Until you're stuck somewhere, then not so much. To make turbo noise is really easy though when you don't have any traction whatsoever. Positive the bottom of my car is now mated with the road. I'm definitely gonna have to get some snow off of wheel wells before I leave. This is the main road. This is way slicker than I thought it would be. Maybe we missed it. Will I get up this hill without getting stuck? Maybe. Drift it. Oh, I love the snow. Be fun for a couple of days until I'm tired of it. Oh, this is so stupid. There's a drain somewhere right here that I don't want to hit. And slide up the parking spot. I'm actually going to park over here because that's kind of going uphill and I don't want to get stuck there. I don't know if this is a parking spot or not because I can't see, but it's going to be.
One eternity later.
Now, let's see if we can make it back home. Can't see crap out of here. driving. Speed and power! Go, go, go! Oh God, up the hill. Alright. I'll probably sit at this red light for 82 years. My heater sounds like it's gonna explode in here. And this car still has no thermostat in it from the mountains, so it's not very warm either. Literally being able to slide around is the only fun part about this. Go, 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 go. This is a hill, sort of, and a pothole. That is all wheel spin. Second gear. Wheel spin, third gear. Two 15/35 tires on a 9.5-inch wide wheel in this is not ideal. Basically, anything above 2,000 RPM, you just spin the tires. So you're better off to just lug it in a higher gear and try to stay around 20 miles an hour. So you have enough momentum to just barely move. I'm literally trying to avoid icebergs that could easily rip side skirts off or crack front bumpers or anything catastrophic, honestly. Oh God, might not be stopping at this red light. Oh, easy. There we go. That was not ideal. Trying to go from a dead stop is when you get in a mess. And we're now at a dead stop. Because of a red light, nobody's even out. Creep forward! Idle speed! Ooh, second gear. Turbo noises, third gear. All the RPM and not going anywhere. It's supposed to do this all day, and I'm not saying this is the worst thing ever, but for where I'm at, this is a lot already. Oh my God, that is the iceberg that sunk the Titanic in front of me. We are not going to hit that. No, thank you. Oh God, that feels terrible. Okay. Oh, there's another one. I'm going to slow down and hope this light turns green before I get to it. Because I do not want to stop again. Because that is when you get stuck. Turn green, turn green, turn green. It's not turning green. There's nobody even here. Now it turns green as soon as I stop. Wheel speed. Boost assist. intrusive thoughts are telling me to pull the e-brake in the middle of town, but it sounds like a terrible idea when I think about it. Because there's definitely police out already. Evidently, I'm not the only one out at 6 o'clock in the morning acting like an idiot. Definitely going to take some back roads though, because I feel like sliding this around before I get where I can't get out in it, which is probably going to happen later. It's honestly pretty bad right now. It's supposed to do this all day, so I'm going to say later I will not be out in this. Oh, this guy in this truck's going to get me stuck. I feel like going around is a bad idea though, because that outside lane is probably going to be worse than the inside lane. But what the hell, let's chance it. The Lexus is over there and it's moving on. Ooh, this is slushy already. Grip! Finally! Oh, I've got all the grips right here. This has already been worn down into slushy. That'll freeze later and be terrible. Oh, iceberg. Ooh, definitely didn't miss that. While I do somewhat enjoy this, I'm not trying to destroy this car. The underside of this car is already a lot rougher than it was when I bought it, for obvious reasons. And I can thoroughly wash all of this nastiness off. Plus, they don't really use salt around here, so it's just snow for the most part. Oh, this is money through here. This is like just driving on wet roads. Oh, Jesus, that's a big one. Ooh, can I go this way, maybe? Oh, yeah. Pothole. I really hope that was snow and not something falling off of my car. I can't tell. There's so much ice built up on these side skirts that the clips just cannot hold the extra weight. That's genuinely something to watch. I'm not looking to destroy my car. I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun while I can, and that is a massive chunk of ice. Go! I don't want to stop and then try to turn. I will be stuck. Oh God, that's a big one. Drifted, sort of. That was kind of crap, actually. I don't like this hide and seek game with the potholes because the road is camouflaged. That's another nerve-wracking part of this. Oh God, I got a hill for the railroad tracks. But I can't send it over the railroad tracks because it does bottom out here. Ooh. Oh God. Alright, this is the ice again. Calm down. Don't act like an idiot right here. I'm definitely going to drift around this corner though. There's nothing around me. Speed! E-brake! Oh yeah. Oh God. There we go. Starting to wonder if I was going to find my rut again. Just kept sliding. Oh God, this is terrible through here. Boost! Torque steer! 210 angry horsepowers. This thing is a torque steering monster in the snow. I think it's basically a Skyline. Chunk of ice. The entire car sounds like it's falling apart. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it is not good because it is just compacted to the pavement with snow and ice at this point. I'm literally in 4th gear at 20 miles an hour. At a whopping 1100 RPM. Oh God. Oof, that's a chunk. Good thing my front bumper's already cracked anyway. Jesus Christ. That's a pothole. No thank you. Not today, Satan. This is probably the only time that I will be out in this vehicle in this unless it stops like right now. It's already to a point where I can't even build up enough speed to enjoy it. I'm just kind of lugging along. Oh, this is uphill right here and I gotta turn. Come on, truck. Come on, truck. You got 4-wheel drive. Go. Go. I can't lose my momentum going through a pothole and going uphill. Go, go, go. This is not going to be elegant, but I'm going. Ooh. There we go. E-brake. E-brake. Ooh, ooh, easy. Big turn. E-brake. Oh God. There's a bunch of big potholes right here. I would continue with the e-brake. I feel like if I go sideways and catch a sidewall in a pothole, that will debeat this wheel, and I will be tire, and I will be stuck. I don't know if this guy's okay. Good. I figured he was going to turn and cut it wide and absolutely cremate me at this intersection. Clear. Go, go, go. Don't stop. Boostesses. Here we go. Basically a drag strip. I'm going literally nowhere. It looks like I'm driving very aggressive, but I'm not. Just a lot of wheel spin. Clear. Oh, this is another bad pothole. Oof. Drifted. Oh God, that was over a pothole. That was bad. Sideways over potholes is not a good idea. Oof. This poor car. Just wanted to die a peaceful death in a junkyard, and then I come along. get stuck right here. Go, 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 go. Oh, don't back out in front of me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Why are you not stopping? Oh, God. Drift mode. Oh, God, that was another pothole right to the sidewall. It amazes me that these wheels and tires have not DB'd and tried to kill me yet the way I drive this car. I literally drive this thing as if it's completely bulletproof and not a death trap. Another pothole, no cars. Oof. Up the hill. Oh God, too spicy. Almost died. Don't know where the corner of my driveway is. And I'm stuck to the ground. The car does not want to move. When I rolled to a stop, I barely hit the brakes.